And good morning, Ron McGowan here with Guarantee RV in Junction City, Oregon. Going to give you a nice video tour this morning of this 2021 Heritage Glen 290RL. All right, and so we're going to start off here in the front. You've got a nice full fiberglass front cap, LED lighting. Coming down the side, you'll notice you've got extra large basement storage capacity, outdoor speakers, two awnings. You've got a spot to put an extra television. On the back side here, we've got a ladder, we've got a sewer hose holder, receiver hitch. What's really cool on this, when we come down here the other side, you've got an indoor docking station, so everything is indoor in that compartment and heated. Outdoor shower, self-leveling system, electric leveling system. Let's go inside. Coming inside here, as soon as we walk in, all of your controls are right here at the door. Nice aluminum step coming in, large grab handle. The kitchen area here, you've got a huge pantry, lots of storage, four-door refrigerator, microwave, range, oven. You've got an island with storage underneath. We've got a fireplace, extra large TV, DVD, CD player, USB ports, couch. We've got the nice theater seating. You've got a table and chairs with a bench. That's a nice touch. Beautiful up here into the bathroom area. Great bathroom with a walk-in shower, wardrobe closet, nice large bed, storage on both sides of the bed. This coach just offers so much. It's insulated well, 4 seasons unit, just a great family coach. And thank you for your time this morning. Again, my name is Ron McGowan. If you have any questions on this or any other RV, feel free to contact me directly at 541-968-6010 or ron.mcgowan@guarantee.com. Thank you and have a great day.